talked to her.
I just had a David Gow, hadn't I?
Oh, Patrick, that was really nice.
You just touch him under the table or something?
Say where we know where the chief is, but we still haven't worked out how to get him.
Well, did you say?
Yeah.
Well, we know where the chief is. It's just that I've forgotten the rest of the lines.
Well, we know where the chief is, but we still haven't worked out how to get him.
Am I talking to you though?
Mhm. But look slightly away from the camera.
You said something to make it look like. Well, we know where the chief is. What is it? We just have to.
But we still haven't worked out how to get to him.
Salvation Army.
You say where's the chief?
No, because it just starts off like.
I've got to just say it.
Wait for the plane to go.
It's going to disappear at the gun any minute.
Got sunshine in the lens now.
Glenn's cat.
Go.
We know where the chief is. Just haven't worked out a way to get to him yet.
Say again, but a lot less sterner.
Well, we know where the chief is. Just got to work out a way to get to him. Okay, when are you ready?
Alright, and the best plan is just go in there. I'll look at the camera.
Okay, just pretend it's not here. Pretend the camera's not here, okay?
No.
Okay.
And the best plan is probably just to the camera again. Oh, I was about to do it then.
Right.
I reckon the plan is we just buy some big fuck off guns, go in there and shoot the shit out of them all.
He doesn't mince his words, does he?
Is that what you wanted to say?
Yeah.
Don't waste it,
I
Pat.
had that in my hand, didn't I? When I was talking. You do it by picking it up to start the shot. Yeah, I'll pick it up, Nick, yeah?
Yeah, do it work with yours anyway.
Do it on mine,
Yeah,
and I'll pick it up.
Right, so whenever.
Nice idea, kid. We don't know how big the gang is.
Stop it, you cunt.
Look at that. Nick.
What? Fucking hell. Right, that's recording, so.
It's cafe, coffee, pint.
You remember your line?
Yeah. Nice idea. I don't know how. Nice idea. We can't risk any harm to the chief. We don't know how big the gang is. I really got you, babe. Right.
I do.
End of the world, brother.
Really?
Mhm.
Gonna have to be more subtle. Find out what's really going on. The best bet is if we send someone in. Undercover. Undercover. I realised Undercover was so quiet.
Yeah, that was good though.
I don't know, say it a bit. Don't pause so much in between.
Oh,
The only
okay,
time you need to
right,
pause
Really
is towards the
emphasise
end.
Undercover.
Haven't it?
Yeah?
Mhm.
We have to be more subtle.
Right, do it again, sorry.
We have to be more subtle. We've got to find out what's really going on. It's best if we send someone in undercover.
You're the king.
We've got to be a little more subtle. We've got to find out what's really going on. I think it's best if we send someone in.
Undercover.
Christ, though.
Look, if Vic and Bob did it, you'd think it was brilliant.
We are the new schmoo.
Right, say it again, but like you did just then, but without Mark doing it. Do it your way.
I'm dropped.
What, the new way?
Yeah, the way you just spoke it, the way you just said it then.
We've got to be more subtle. We've got to find out what's really going on.
Don't read the lines so obviously.
He looks like a newsreader, doesn't he?
Yeah, I know. Today I am.
Are we keeping that? Alright. We've got to be more subtle. We've got to find out what's really going on. It's best if we send someone in. Undercover. That's pathetic.
Do it again, right? But look. Do it again, but look to the
Bit skew with
this side of the camera. You're looking in the camera.
I know I'm looking in the camera. We've got to be more subtle. We've got to find out.
Stop it, you tosser.
What? What's wrong?
I can't help it, I'm sorry.
Like me with a bitch. We've got to be a little more subtle. We've got to find out what we're going to do. Come on.
No, just
You film it?
don't say it quite so. Look, Humpty's on the seesaw, sort of thing.
We've got to be more subtle. We've got to find out what's really going on. The best bet is if we send someone in. Undercover.
Right, I'm filming now. That's just crazy enough to work, but.
The bomb squad.
Come on, Duck.
Alright.
That's just crazy enough to work, but who's going to do it?
You film?
Who's had that little touch in? One stage she even took a fly. Oh, they're all coming out now, look.
They wide.
Pretty sort of heavy sort of. Go. Go. Yeah, keep doing it until I say I'm going to get a photo of actual filming being done.
Come in, Mark.
Hold the gun, Mark. Both hands. Look left and right all the time.
Get the plane, yeah?
How's it?
Pulse on 89, are you?
What do I want it? Don't try and get not too near me, so camera and focus.
Oh, one thing, Nick.
What?
You know the skull's his problem.
Yeah.
Can we film like the skull in the tree and tied around a vine and stuff?
No, the skull's waiting there. It is going to be waiting there.
Oh,
Because he sees that, we'll film that later on. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, go. I'll quit it. Go. You got. Right, in the sunlight again. In the sunlight again. Right, just move. Mark, move out of the sunlight.
You've got a big beam on your back. A big what? Beam. You know, as in beam of light. I'll run around in a circle.
right, run.
Follow him.
Now do a complete 360. I'll do a 360 around you.
Sorry.
Oh dear. Do you see that?
The skull hardly picks up.
It's just the sun. Is it all blurry?
No, it's not.
Focus, or do you just think it's too dark?
It's not out of focus.
It's just too dark.
Yeah,
Don't worry about it.
that's
I don't
better.
know what it is.
And do a shot like get above me in the skull, and I'll look up and go no.
Go on then. Yeah, I'll find the skull. Right.
No, hang on.
Go up there and zoom in.
Where?
Up there or something like that. So you're higher up than me.
Right, you're doing it.
Yeah.
Tell me when.
You've got to fling
Right.
back as if you're doing a crab mark. So like fling back as much as you can.
Mhm. Go.
Zoom right out, Patrick.
I am.
Go out of focus.
Right.
Right, that's okay. Cause
Do his glasses catch the light?
no.
You ready?
Yep.
It'll go wrong, Mark.
It's because we can use this to edit in between him running and stuff.
I want some of it peeping out of bushes and stuff. I think that'd be funny.
Zoom in on it. We should have had eyes and nose for it. No, perhaps not.
Can I take my moustache off now? Have we done anybody?
No, because you need to jump down the ground as if the explosion's gone off.
That's it.
Patrick, don't keep walking around because you keep putting shadows all over it all the time.
That's what I thought would be worth it. You can have flapping shadows though, can't you? Like birds. It's plain to see, isn't it?
Maybe tomorrow. Very chill. I know part of the door.
Go. Stay, that is brilliant. Right, Mark, can you stay exactly where you are? Patrick, get my camera. Quickly.
Patrick Kitely.
Wiggle it.
They're all just starting to work there, eh?
That's look all speeding up as well, so the camera shot.
Is it?
Yeah, do you remember when we did that GoPro there, which was like...
Can't I alter it?
No.
Do it slowly, Patrick.
Can you get in closer?
Is that an insect just flew on my camera?
Don't think so.
It is. What your hand? I've lost it.
It's Jeffrey's dad, isn't it?
Oh, bollocks to it. Fell off.
But it's Jeffrey's dad.
One of us on the air, isn't it?
Oh, I'm going to throw it now. Right.
Skull. A better kind of lager.
That was mine. That was mine.
Oh.
Fancy a pint, Winkle?
Oh, who wants to throw it up then?
Ooh.
Not me.
Oh well. Yeah? We'll go right up and then right down in the same place.
Don't know.
Another one, there's something.
Yeah.
Get that in the air.
That's brilliant in the air, wasn't it? Go.